channel, action!
Araw-arawin siguro.
Hi!
Hello! Welcome back to my channel. This is Baby Damos and over there is Isabella Arroyo. Hi, Isabella!
Hi! I'm Isabella Arroyo and we are in Alejop.
This is the store that you can buy all the things that you need for school, for inside your house, or anything that you want. You can find it here. So let's go and let's see what we're going to buy. Ayan o, mga house, or kitchen, dog, and cups. Hindi yung ganyan. Ay, oh, pwede na rin. Giveaway. Ah, look at this. Giveaway. Ayan, mga pins. I want this. This is my daughter Jessica wants like this. Ay, look at this. Ang gayon. Ah, sticker. Stickers. Ito ata yung pang ano. Ay, hindi akala. This one. I like this one. I want one. Nabili ka na? Hindi, yung magandang cute naman. OMG. Dito nga. Look, how cute is it? Ay, ang ganda. I will buy this for my Jessica's birthday giveaway. Oh, piso lang. Yan, ang ganda. Ang ganda. Marami pang design. Pili ka. Dun yata sa last to. Ayun, may ano, for my flamenco. May flamenco. Piso lang. May flamenco. Ayan. Ayan nga, yung parang ring light na pang phone. Tres na yan o. Oh, mura. O, bili ka. Tres lang. Ayan, i-clip sa cellphone para may liwanag.
Puti lang siya, puti. Oo, puti lang.
O, kasi iilaw yan eh.
Wala. Ito lang. Wala bang ibang kulay? Wala ibang kulay.
Wala kasi, yan o, pang ilaw yan. Siyempre,
puti. Ang nabibili sa Alejop na mga
for the ring light. For phone. For the video also or photo. Selfies. Tres lang. Magic ring. Ano yung magic ring? Ayun yung mga laruan. Ayan no, yung pinipicture sa video. Ayan ba yan? Ito na nga, bili ako. Dahil kahit ikan dito. Wala ba dito ano yung wire na ano, microphone? Ano wire na? Hello, Risa.
Hi, we're vlogging again. We're in Alejop. We're looking in Alejop. So, I'm just looking for things.
Ano ata yan? Ayun o, yung parang gano'n, digital. How much is that, Tebian?
3 euros. Ito kasama rin kita. Anong one?
Palahiin baka. Take away. Ayan o. Di ba yan, yung cannabis store Amsterdam. Cannabis. Ayan o.